how are you guys doing? It's been a while since we had a vlog on the channel. I apologize. I've been trying to figure out what content you guys like, but like there's no winning with y'all. Let me know first question in this vlog. What do you want to see in the comment section down below? Let me know. If I'm more than just a friend to you. I can't sing to save my life. So today is Bemi's wedding. Bemi A here on YouTube, and I'm super excited. You know what? Let's run in a clip of the awesome couple, like right now.
If you're behind was my class, I will never miss school. Your front on to slippers, so select go they wear shoe. My baby not cold, my baby too low.
Mr. Badmus and Mrs. Badmus, like I've been calling Bemi Badmus. I've been calling Bemi Badmus from the first time she introduced her husband on her channel. I'm like Bemi Badmus everywhere, and finally, you know, it's happening. She's Bemi Badmus, and I'm super excited. Hashtag becoming Badmus, even though she's already Badmus. Like, so today I'm going to be vlogging. I'm going to be filming. My sister is about to do my makeup. She's the one that has been walking up and down in the background. She's about to do my makeup, so we're going to film that. And later on, my mom is going to tie my gele because she's very good at it. So we're going to film that as well. So, and I'm also going to do an OOTD. So that's going to be like 4 videos. Hopefully, we can leave the house by past 12, 1-ish. Get to the venue, say 2. You know, party for like 2 hours and leave by 4 or 5. And come on, you know. I'm not going to church because the church is far. Church is not far, but like from where I live, church is farther, and then you have to come back to the reception venue, so it's like double waka for me, and I'm not driving, taking bus, so I'm just going to go straight for the reception. You know what, I think I'm talking too much. Hey, let me introduce you guys. Last week I went for a wedding at Ogun. You know what, let me stop talking and let my sister do my makeup. So this is like the behind the scenes of the actual video. So right here is the camera. We're gonna sit here, and she's actually, I'm sweating. Please guys, recommend a primer that can block sweat. I am always sweating on my face. Like, I don't want to know how perfect that makeup is. They say it's wicked people that sweat on their face. Is that true? So 3 questions. First, what do you want to see in my vlog? Recommend a good primer for me. And is it true that it's wicked people that sweat on their face? I'm not wicked. So I'll see you guys later. I'm making progress. This video will be up maybe after the vlog. Are you recording? I will set the clip. So yeah. Ooh.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Oh my God.
So we are done with the makeup. This is what we came up with, and the color kind of matches the ashwabi nicely. It's onion pink. I've asked people on my WhatsApp that what's the color, on my WhatsApp and Instagram that what is the color, and I'm seeing the rishi color. I don't know what this is, but these people wants to spoil my shine. Anyway, my outfit is almost ready. So I just want to add one extra net here because the neck is quite plain, and I don't want to be that simple. And I'm also going to add brooch on the waist. You guys will see it when I do the OOTD video, but I just want to do that very quickly. And my mom's going to tie my gele. I told you guys I sweat a lot. Can you see I'm already sweating? It's not up to 5 minutes. Please, I beg you, recommend for me a good primer that blocks sweat, and I'm going to get it next week. Like legit, I need it. So this is my dress. The neck is actually quite plain. You see when I wear it. So I still have some. By the way, my mom made this. So I still have some fabric from this. I'm going to put on the neck here, and I'm going to put like a brooch on the waist here. So once that is done, my outfit is ready, and we can hit the road. So we are here. I didn't vlog coming, but I'm shy, yeah, I'm pretty late, but oh, if you see the traffic, that's more Milano. PS, I'm not wearing heels.
Expensive.
And people have been screaming, princess, princess. I'm like, Joe, is it the outfit? My sister says it's my charisma. Okay, people are coming, cars are parking. Let me keep my phone because I'm becoming really shy. Bye. You know how long it's taking to count, so. Even this count, you can count. Should I stand up?
I've been lost in you.
I want to be sure that everyone over here is single, physically and spiritually. Is everyone who has been husband?
You know that I'm a big man. Kick harder than
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.